A Frisco-based religious ministry won a big court victory against Obamacare. The ministry argued its rights were violated by the prescription drug requirement. Well, today a judge issued a temporary injunction. Fox 4's Melissa Cutler has the story.
The Supreme Court meant what it said in Hobby Lobby, that we respect the religious freedom rights of these organizations.
A Supreme Court ruling in favor of Hobby Lobby played prominently in a North Texas lawsuit involving religious freedom. Pastor Charles Swindoll, seen here on YouTube, employs close to 90 people through his Frisco church Insight for Living Ministries. At issue is the Obamacare requirement for employers to pay for and provide access to contraceptive care, including abortion-inducing drugs such as Plan B, or face heavy fines. The ministry claims that goes against its religious beliefs and the Constitution.
They were forced to materially and formally cooperate in the dispensation of drugs that terminate unborn life. And under the Religious Freedom Restoration Act and other First Amendment freedom of religion principles, the government may not do that.
According to court arguments, more than 50 lawsuits by nonprofit religious organizations have challenged the mandate, and to date 35 of them have won injunctions. That's over the protests of contraceptive rights supporters who argue that it pits the religious rights of the employees against their employers. Those arguments so far have not been enough.
The federal government may not do this to you. You are not compelled to violate your faith.
So Melissa Cutler reporting. The U.S. Department of Justice had maintained that the Affordable Care Act has made allowances for such groups to opt out, but the plaintiffs argued and the judge agreed that the burdens associated with that were too great, and that's why the injunction was granted.